86. Are you excited?
Yeah. My dear sweet blankie wrapped up in their little balance stripes.
Aiden, what kind of plane is it?
Lada.
Yeah, but what kind?
Oh, it's A320, I think. Yeah.
Hello, beauty. Sunrise. Guys, look at me.
Mama, where?
Ladies and gentlemen, you are very welcome on board this Ryanair flight with the Belauda Europe going to Vienna. Today you are traveling on an Airbus A320. Please move along the cabin and secure allocated seat as quickly as possible. Your seat has been allocated to comply with the balance rules. For your own safety, you must occupy your allocated seat only. We kindly ask you to store backpacks, duty-free bags and jackets underneath the seat in front of you, and to store only the towels in the overhead compartment. Exception is given only for passengers occupying an emergency.
After so long, we are finally moving. We are moving. Look out, see us, we are moving. Some people there. You guys are moving. Moving is just a thing. Like, one of them.
Proceeds for departure.
There's radio. We went to Port Circle. Wanted runway, everyone. On your seat, it says runway 22. Clear for takeoff. Runway 22. And runway. Runway 22. And it's lining up for takeoff. It's getting ready for takeoff. Okay, there's a line up, there's a line up. Jimmy, Yay! Aiden, you see the wing? Yeah, I know, it's up. That's how it's going.
Why, Aiden? Do you know why?
Why? Yeah.
Tell me.
That's a flaps and flat, like you have to put that on, yeah? And also, you saw the engine go back, yeah? That's reverse thrust activated.
Especially from us today's entire Lauda Europe crew. We thank you for choosing to fly with Ryanair and wish you a really good day here in Vienna and surroundings. Thank you very much to everybody and goodbye.
Lauda. And which one is this one? Is getting ready for takeoff.
I don't know what that
What is this? Looks different.
Hello, China Airlines.
We are here. Bye. So be careful. Yay, it's so hot. To the bus. Yay, so hot in here. Yeah. Let's go. Let's find Grandpa. Yay. Aiden saw him first straight away. Hello. Okay. You see? Yeah, let's go. Sami, let's go. Hi. Mwah. Let's go.